Jay Wiener. Oh my God, you Jay Wiener. I know too, okay. No, because then we can do Nuketown next time too. You got an assist. You got an assist. No, you did. Oh no, you survived. Never mind. They're all in like the same house. They're all near the same house. Like one's on top of the bunk bed, one is out in the backyard, and one is running across the backyard. Oh no. Oh, sniped. That guy just got sniped. He's on top of the bunk bed, kid.